Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're here, that means you want to learn English the easy way. And guess what? I'm here to help you, step by step. Today, we're talking about subjective pronouns. But wait, don't let that word scare you. It's actually super easy. Trust me, after this video, you'll understand it 100%. Are you ready? Let's go. What are subjective pronouns? First, let's answer this. What are subjective pronouns? Simply put, subjective pronouns are the words we use instead of names when the person or thing is the subject of the sentence. Here are the magic words. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. That's it. 7 simple words. Easy, right? Now, let's see how to use them. Let's try some examples. I love teaching English because I am the subject. You are amazing for watching this video. Yes, you. He is a great singer. Talking about a boy. She loves to dance. Talking about a girl. It is a cute dog. Talking about an animal or thing. We are learning English together. You and me. They are my best friends. Talking about more than one person. See? It's that simple. You're already learning so fast. Let's remember our 7 magic words, the subjective pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. These words are important because they tell us who or what is doing the action in a sentence. Now, let's see them in action. Let's try another examples. Let's start with I. I am your English teacher today. That's because I'm talking about myself. Easy, right? Next is you. Yes, you. You are watching this video right now. Because you are the one learning. Now, let's talk about he. He is playing basketball. We use he when we talk about a boy or a man. What about she? She is reading a book. We use she when we talk about a girl or a woman. Now, this one is special, it. It is a beautiful day. We use it when we talk about animals, objects, or things. Now, let's talk about we, which means you and me together. We are learning English together. Because we're in this as a team. And finally, they. They are my best friends. We use they when talking about more than one person. Hey. I know learning English can feel difficult sometimes. Maybe you feel like you will never be fluent. But listen to me, you can do this. Every expert was once a beginner. And you? You're already one step closer to fluency just by watching this video. So never give up. Say it with me. I can do it. You can do it. We can do it together. Did this video help you? Comment yes below. And if you have any questions, I'm here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy lessons. Share this with your friends. Let's help more people learn English together. That's all for today. Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye bye. See you soon.